In this lesson, we're going to look at some of the email phrases that can really help you to write your emails more easily, professionally, and effectively. We're going to look at 20 useful verbs that you'll need in your professional written communication, along with some practical examples. To apologize. For example, I do apologize for the inconvenience. To appreciate. For instance, we would appreciate a reply by close of business today. To arrange. One example is, I would like to arrange a meeting with you and Harry next week. To attach. So you could say, I attach the booking confirmation. To clarify. One example of this is, I am writing to clarify the terms and conditions of the agreement. To complain. For instance, I am writing to complain about the damaged goods I received. To confirm. For example, I would like to confirm our meeting. To contact. One way to use this verb is with the phrase, please contact Oliver Reynolds from our New York office. To inquire. One example of this is, I would like to inquire about your current availability. To follow up. For example, I would like to follow up on invoice number 187. To get in touch. So you could say, I will get in touch with you as soon as your laptop is fixed. To inform. For instance, I would like to inform you of our change of billing address. To let somebody know. For example, please let me know your current availability. To postpone. One example is, I'm afraid we will have to postpone the meeting. To receive. For example, we have received the agreement. To regret. So you could say, we regret to inform you that the payment has been delayed. To revert. For instance, I will revert to you within 2 days with an update. To send. For instance, please send me your product catalog and price list. To update. This is to update you about the status of the project. To write. So you could say, I'm writing to you in connection with the Vigilon project. So whenever you need to write a professional email, keep these verbs in mind and you'll be able to create professional impressions with your readers.